رئيس جمهورية يحمي المقاومة. المقاومة في لبنان ليست بحاجة إلى غطاء، والمقاومة في لبنان ليست بحاجة إلى حماية. ما نريده
Tonight, we will tear down Iran and its evil hand in the Middle East. This region has a history of reckless aggression in the area. It has a deep hatred of America and our friends. And it has aided, trained, and harbored terrorists, including operatives of Hezbollah on campus. May God continue to bless America and freedom in this God's world.
Pay attention. Stop all activities. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Nuclear attack warning. If you're in Tehran, Mashhad, Isfahan, Karaj, Sharaj, Tabriz, seek underground shelter now. If you are not in an underground shelter, do not approach your house windows. Stay as far as possible from the outer walls and roof. Do not turn on ventilation. If you are on the street during an explosion, you should immediately find shelter, or hide in a recess or behind any solid object that can protect you. The government will provide citizens with respirator masks, gloves, raincoat, glasses and shoe covers for protection. Victory to Supreme Leader.